So welcome to Reykjavik, Iceland. This is a short introduction to our Christmas walking tour that we're going to do on the 12th of December at 5 p.m. GMT. And we're trying out a couple of technical stuff. We're trying to multi-stream to both the Facebook page of Your Friend in Reykjavik and then also the event page that most of you have subscribed to. So on the Christmas walking tour, we're going to experience Christmas in Iceland, the Christmas traditions of Iceland. We're going to see the beautiful Christmas lit Reykjavik, and we're going to try out some food. We're going to maybe check out some stores, check out some bookstores, maybe check out some Christmas books. We are crazy about Christmas books here in Iceland. Tell you more about that on our walking tour. And yeah, we're trying out a couple of technical stuff here. We're trying out if we see comments, if it's possible to duplicate the live feed from the page to the event, because it's I want to use this software that I'm trying out because it allows me to do some fun stuff. Like obviously, I'm going to face the camera is going to be facing front when you do this, so you won't be seeing my eyes roll to the right, but things like this, like putting some pictures into the feed, and maybe I'm not sure how this goes. A little bit of a music. Not sure about that. How that comes. If you hear that now, but it's interesting to check out a couple of the possibilities that we have with this the streaming software that we're going to try to use. Like I said, the Christmas walk, it's gonna take about one and a half hour probably. I'm not sure. We're gonna stop at a couple of places, and depends on the questions and just how it goes, how we roll, how much fun we're having. And but I'm sure we're gonna have fun. This is my first time doing something like this, online experiences, and so it's going to be a learning curve for me. I'm learning a lot these days. Obviously, with tourism in Iceland being like it is, dead, we have to adapt, and we have to. We have a saying here in Iceland: "Þetta reddast, þetta reddast," and the direct translation would be something like, "We will find a way. Things will work out. We'll come together and overcome this hardship." So þetta reddast. We'll figure this out. So yeah, I've tried a couple of things here. We're having the music. I'm not sure how loud it is. Maybe you didn't hear a word I was saying. I was trying out this picture stuff. Like I said earlier, the camera's going to be facing front, so you won't see me like drifting my eyes towards the software over here. I can do some fun stuff like adding some Christmas cheer, any questions and stuff like that. So I'm trying out a couple of things here. I want to be as interactive as possible. So, ask you questions. Maybe there will be a giveaway for like a question, and you will have to answer in the comments. And we'll see. I'm figuring it all out as we go. But it's going to be fun. Hunt the Yule, yes, I'm actually going to do that. But actually, unfortunately, they didn't put all the Yule lads. Mind Riot. It's fun. I can see the names now. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm going to hunt the Yule lads downtown. We're going to see them downtown. And I'm going to, of course, tell you more about them. But there are at least 6 or 7 of them downtown, and we're going to threat actually the downtown area where they are located. So that's like the theme of the walking tour, is that we're gonna go from one Santa to another, and I'm gonna tell you a backstory and about our Christmas traditions, what we do, how we like to celebrate Christmas here in Iceland. So I think I have done everything that I wanted to do. So this is just a test. We're just trying out different things. We're trying out if this live streams on YouTube also. We're checking out if this goes to the event page. We're trying out if if it goes, just if this simply works, because as I said, doing this is the first time now. My name is Valur. I'm your friend in Reykjavik, and I'm a guide here and tour operator. Been doing that for 6 years. Hi, Joan from Illinois. Okay, so you're used to the cold over here in January in Iceland. Now it's about minus 5 degrees here, but with the wind chill factor, it's closer to minus 10. So I'm actually, it's going to be pretty chilly. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit better when we do the actual walk together on the 12th. So it's about 14 Fahrenheit for you in Illinois. Yes. Hello, Matea from Croatia. Oh, this is just so lovely to see other people. I miss it so much to be able to guide people around my beautiful Reykjavik. Letting them taste something that they haven't tasted before, like our traditional Icelandic food. And we have a folklore walking tour also, so we're talking about the elves and trolls of Iceland. So that's also really, really fun. Yeah, so we have done thousands of walking tours with people from all over the world over the last couple of years. And like I said, since March basically this year we haven't done a lot of tours, obviously because of COVID. So you have to adapt. You have to figure out something new, and this is actually something that I want to do more of. I was so overwhelmed with your responses for the walking tour. 27 and 28,000 people have shown an interest in this experience, so I'm just delighted with that. I'm just glad if a couple of hundred will be live at the event. Hi from Greece, Athanasia, Philly, USA, and I'm just overwhelmed with how many people are responding to this. Obviously, so I'm thinking about doing this weekly. Different motives, different places that we visit, maybe sometimes indoors, check out some museums. I have many ideas for you to experience more things here in Reykjavik and Iceland. And if you have any ideas for what to do, I'm open for suggestions. And I'm just delighted to be able to show Reykjavik and Iceland to people again. So I think I'm gonna stop this live feed soon, because as I said, we're just testing this out. We're testing it if it works. Hi from Portugal. You're from Portugal. I love. We went to went to Lisbon. My wife and I a couple of years back. A beautiful city, and we did a food tour there, and it was excellent. So. Yeah, I loved it. So if you have any suggestions for more ideas for online experiences, I would love to hear them. Please be aware of scammers. There are people there that have at least copied at least 4 or 5 times my event, and they are trying to get people to sign up for the program. So it looks like they are trying to get credit card information and stuff like that. This is a free event. Just show up on the 12th of December at 5 p.m. We're going to be live, walking around. No credit card details needed, and just have a merry time, have fun in Iceland with me. So thank you for tuning in. 18 people there. Fun to see that people are interested. And see you later. Takk fyrir að horfa. Figuring it all out. This is gonna. Þetta reddast.